Stop overpaying on car and home insurance with FreeAdvice.com. Are you tired of paying high premiums every month? Do you want to learn how to save money on your insurance? Look no further, because we are here to help. Hi! Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll teach you how to stop overpaying for your car and home insurance. From comparing quotes to understanding coverage options, we'll give you the tips and tricks you need to lower your insurance costs. So sit back, relax, and let's start saving money today. We know that insurance can be a confusing and overwhelming topic, and it's easy to feel like you're not getting the best deal. That's why we're here to help. But before we dive into the tips and tricks for saving money on insurance, let's first know that overpaying for insurance is a common problem and that it often happens due to the consumer's lack of information. There are many reasons why families end up overpaying for insurance. A big one we see often is people get busy and forget to update big changes with their insurance providers. Sometimes, these changes mean lower rates, such as working from home, starting a new job, driving less each day, and so forth. Another reason we see people overpaying is having more coverage than they need or not shopping around for more affordable rates. We should also acknowledge that home and car insurance rates will continue to increase in 2023 due to inflation, claim frequency, and other economic factors. All these elements working together can lead to significant rate increases for this year for consumers. The good thing is that there are several things you can do to stop overpaying on your car and home insurance plans. Step 1. Shop around. Shopping around to compare policies and providers is an excellent way to find the best deals and ensure you are not overpaying for your insurance. When you compare quotes from various insurance providers, you can see how much coverage typically costs in your area. This can assist you in determining which companies offer the best prices and which coverage alternatives are most reasonable. Before shopping around, gather all the information you'll need to get quotes from insurance companies. Then compare the prices. Get quotes from a number of different insurance providers and then see which ones stand out to you. You can get free insurance quotes in minutes from FreeAdvice.com. Simply enter your zip code and respond to a few questions to get started. After that, you'll be able to compare rates and coverage options. Be sure to compare the same type and level of coverage for each quote to ensure you make an apples-to-apples comparison. We promise you can easily avoid overpaying for car and home insurance by shopping around and comparing rates from multiple insurance companies in your area. Step 2. Bundle your policies. Bundling your home and car insurance plans with the same provider will enable you to reduce your insurance costs. Most insurance providers give discounts for bundling more than one policy with them. It's a benefit for them too. They get more business from you, and they can reduce each policy's administrative and marketing expenses. Insurance companies want more business, and who doesn't want to save money? It's a win-win. Another big benefit of bundling is that having your policies with the same provider makes it easier for you to manage your coverage and pay your bills. Having them all in one place allows you to have a single point of contact for all of your insurance needs, as well as negotiate better deals and discounts as their loyal customer. There's no doubt bundling policies can save you money, but it's still just as important that you shop around and compare rates from multiple insurance companies to ensure you're getting the best deal possible on those policies. Step 3. Maintain a good credit score. Insurance companies often use credit scores to determine rates. Keeping a good credit score can help you save money on insurance. A good credit score can give you more negotiating power when bargaining insurance rates. A higher credit score means lower interest rates on loans, credit cards, and mortgages as well. There is a long list of rate-determining factors insurance companies consider. But your credit score is one of the most important because it's a financial risk indicator for them. Next step to stop overpaying for your insurance: find discounts. Taking advantage of discounts is a top way to lower your car and home insurance costs. Most insurance providers offer a long list of discounts. Usually, things that lower your risk or costs for them will mean savings for you. Some reasons providers give discounts include safe driving, loyalty, vehicle safety features, home security systems, not filing claims, and combining your insurance. Make sure to stay updated and use the discounts your insurance provider offers to save money and avoid overpaying for your insurance. Our last piece of advice: review your coverage and policy often. Review your policy to ensure you're not paying for unnecessary coverage and to check if you're eligible for new discounts. To determine if you're paying for coverage you don't need, you need to review your policy. But first, make sure you fully understand what you're reading. If you don't understand a part of your plan, ask an agent for help or read one of our guides on FreeAdvice.com. We have thousands of guides that will help you through the process at your own pace. Take the time to check some of the details you may have overlooked. There might be instances where you are paying for the same coverage twice. For example, if you have rental insurance, make sure your homeowner's coverage doesn't already cover you for rentals. Next, check for endorsements and add-ons. These are additional coverage options that can be added to your policy. Be sure you're only paying for what you need. Then create a list of your assets and make sure you have enough coverage, but not more than you need. Ask your insurance agent if there are any parts of the plan that you can eliminate or reduce without significantly affecting your overall coverage. By understanding your policy, checking for duplicate coverage, considering your assets, bundling policies, and finding discounts, you can significantly decrease your home and car insurance bills. The cost and quality of your insurance is no little thing. Don't delay when it comes to looking into these things. Following the steps outlined above will help you save money, as well as adjust your coverage and ensure that you are not over or underinsured. We hope you take our advice to heart so you can avoid overpaying for insurance. Insurance is very important, but it can strain your finances if you aren't careful. Remember, take advantage of discounts, bundle your policies, regularly review your coverage, and shop around for the best rates to ensure you're not overpaying for your insurance. If you feel stuck or confused, you can get the advice you need from insurance experts at FreeAdvice.com. We are here to help you get the coverage you need at the best possible price. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insurance-related and money-saving advice. Stay safe, save, and be protected with the right insurance coverage. Thanks for watching.